Yon, hello guys. So today it's another vlog and yeah, my first clip. We are here in the Canon area and of course I'm using the Canon M50. So ayan, welcome back again for after months that I don't have a vlog regarding the camera and yeah, what stock that we have here. Actually, we have a new Canon R8. Yes, actually we have R3, R6 Mark II, R6 with the kit lens, R8 with the lens 2450 and the body R6. Why R6 nito? RP, R7, R10. Yan. So today's vlog, we're gonna unbox this new Canon R8. Ito lang naman siya. The price is 499 Kuwaiti dinar. So let's go and unbox this new Canon R8. Yan o, R8. Anong masasabi mo sa R8, partner?
Parang replacement to ng RP.
RP, right? It's like an RP is full frame. So, yeah, check natin. Let's check, guys. So, okay, guys, let's check the new Canon, which is the Canon R8 with a 24.2 megapixel and up to 4K 60p recording for video. So, yeah, with a full HD 1080p and yeah, check natin the specs. You have also UHS 2 and the weather seal camera. And what else? 40 frames per second continuous shooting burst mode. Wow. So, and 30 frames by raw burst mode. Yan. Record H264 and H265. Focus, breathing, comparison, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, live streaming webcam. Yan. And yan. Can support camera, Canon camera connect. So let's try. What do you think of this camera, pare? Huh? The R8. So why you choose the M50 over this R8, pare? Why you buy M50 now? No. Huh? Huh? Sister, sure? Sister, huh? Sister?
Whom I will spend like 100.
Girlfriend or something, no? Boyfriend, girlfriend, uncle, auntie. Okay. How are you? Long time no see. Again, my
When you are going to buy this one?
after long months that I don't have vlog. How are you, Mr. Calamoni? Wow, it's too much rich. iMac, MacBook. Sorry. What do you think of this R8?
It's very good.
Then why you didn't buy this one?
I will buy.
Wow, too much money. See, this card. Too much money. Oh. MacBook. Oh. MacBook, the most expensive MacBook. So guys, let's start unbox this new Canon R8. Yeah. So I read about already the specs, and if you want more about the specs of this Canon R8, there's a lot of video out there, guys. But on this vlog, I'm gonna show you what's inside the box of this Canon R8. So let's start. First, you have your cable and the battery. I think the battery is LP17, right? I believe it's LPE17. Yeah, LPE17 battery with LPE17 charger. Yeah, another cable, of course, very important, which is the manual. Yeah, manuals here. You need to read the manuals. The Canon R8 strap. Yeah, Canon R8 strap. And at the bottom of the box, we have the camera. Alright. So this is the camera, guys. This is the Canon R8. I think it's similar with the RP. It's almost same as the RP. So one day we will try to compare also the R8 on the next vlog. We'll try to compare on the next vlog the R8 over the RP. So because they're both full frame camera with this compact. Also the RP, I think there's no LCD screen. So, ayan. Okay, you have the mic, HDMI, which is still micro. Still they use micro HDMI with USB-C. Okay, so you have already your switch for photo and video switch. Yan. I'm not sure in the RP, so let's check the RP and compare if there's a assign button for the switch button or for the still and video, similar to this one. You have your video and still. Okay, for the memory card, sure here in the yeah. Yes, you have SDXC UHS-2 compatible one SD card, either UHS-2 or yeah, or UHS-1. So it depends on how you shoot, what is your shooting style, photo, more in photo or video. Of course, if you are shooting 60 frames, Full HD or 4K, then I think you need to use the UHS-2. So you have the mic and yeah, that's the good thing on this camera because you have already a mic adapter and jack. So yeah, so you can monitor your sound or the audio, sorry. And yeah, guys, this is for the body, for the gripping. I like how the size of the grip, and yeah, I think this is a good upgrade from the R8. If you have the RP I think is almost how many years now. So if you want to upgrade for your DSLR and crop sensor DSLR, so I think this is a good upgrade from 90D or 80D up to yeah R8. So this is a good one. So on the next vlog, we will try to compare the R8 over the RP. So, again, hanggang dito lang again flex time. First, I want to flex my team is to positive. And if you want to check the product, guys, you can visit us here in Megastore showroom. If you want to check the price, you can visit our website www.aabworld.com. So we have available now, guys, this Canon R8. So hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.